theGreenGirls.com.
So we found this bird a couple of days ago. And what I got online was get a box, and then I shredded up some newspaper, and I put a light under it. You can't put a light more than, I'd say, 40 watts because it'll get too hot. And just put it on one side and the bird will like move if he's too hot. So he'll go around. And then for food, I just got cat food, or you can use dog food and milk. Mix it up and use a regular syringe. You take the top off and you just make it so that it's room temperature. See if we can get some. Because if it's cold, it might get sick. So you just have to feed it every, say, 20-30 minutes. And it opens his mouth and you just do that, maybe one or maybe 1.5. Say like 1 cc every 30 minutes. Probably good. Until it's got its feathers. I mean, until it's ready to fly. Just hang out for a while and keep feeding it.
theGreenGirls.com.